So the other day I popped out to the dump for a geese and I found this. It's what I believe to be a Honda clone, a clone of a Honda GX390 stationary horizontal shaft engine. Perfect for a go-kart. I've already pulled it apart, as you can see, because that's what I do with all my new toys. I've ordered a rebuild kit for it. Comes with new head gasket, all the other gaskets, flange gaskets, a new piston and new rings for 50 bucks. You can scarcely go wrong. It didn't come with any manifold bits, no exhaust, no carby, so today I'll be making flange for there, aluminium, nice thick steel. Hey, that's easy. Hell yeah, man. I probably won't be using these anyway. This is an old school way of making cardboard gaskets. It'll work just as well for making a template. There we are. Perfect. That's it, man. Perfect. I'm pretty happy with these for now, so just gonna leave them how they are until the engine's built, and then I'll do some port matching and a bit of cleaning up before I weld new tubes to them. Next job, valve grind. This is my absolute favorite stuff for cleaning carbon and shit. It works so friggin' well. Look at that. Brown already. Damn, this has been on here a while. Might need to let it soak. Alright, it's soaked and scrubbed. You ready? Damn! Beautiful. That'll do. This thing's old and buggered, so I'm going to try a different technique. Stuff a bit of nice tight tubing over the end of the valve. Chuck it in the drill, pull it tight. That's probably enough. It probably won't be perfect, but it'll be a lot better than it was before. Focus. Come on, there you go. You can see where the grinding happened. It's pretty uniform. Next. Got him. Got him. So you can see both valves under there. I'm just going to pop a bit of fuel into both sides and then go and do something else for a while I wait for it to drain through if there's any leaks. Hopefully there is none. There's the results of the leak test. We good. Also put my nice flanges on there. Just bolted them on for now. Put the valve cover back on. And she's going back into the box. Pick it up again next week. I was hoping to do the honing of the bore today, but I don't know where the honing tool is, so I'll have to find that and then get back into it. Didn't get as much done as I wanted to, but you know, these things happen. See you next week.